Hi everybody, my name is Kelly, and this week I learned how to stringify and how to append childs. Let's go into it. So the first thing I like to show you is the append child. On the left here you can see, I'll blow it up for you, 3 items to this list and a button that's above it saying tauntingly, "Press me." And if I press it, I'm going to add a list item to here. Now this item is called laptop. Let's go figure out how this is done. On the right here, I have my code. And I have the usual beginning. But here's where the magic is. It starts with script. Oh man, that was horrible. All right, anyways, this is my code. I have start by styling the button. I just want a black button with white lettering on it. I want the button to have an ID of add list item and the unordered list to have an ID of uList. This is important to keep in mind when we actually want to make this function work. Down below the body, I have a script. I'm going to call the add_li, which we referring to the button up here. I'll call it button, make it easy to remember. And I want the uList, which I said is the unordered list, to have a variable name of ul. Now this right here is just saying what I want to refer to in this function. Now below that, I want to create an element and create a text node, or rather create another list item. I want to create an element to the list item, and I want to call it variable make list item. Now I have another thing down here called create text node, and this is going to actually create that list item, and I want to call it make text. So I'm going to call upon the button, and when I click it, I want it to refer to the variable ul, which we said was an unordered list, which we said was this right here. When it finds it, I want it to append child to the make list item. Now, we said that before the variable was list item, so at the end of this list, I want it to add laptop to the end of this list. And if all goes well, it should happen. Now, laptop doesn't go with apples, bananas, and oranges, but I wanted to make it really apparent that it's not an intelligent list creator. It appends exactly what I tell it to. Now, if I were to say a cell phone, then it would do exactly that. It would put cell phone there. So pretty easy stuff. I'm going to put my code online so you guys can have it. So that's stringify. I mean, that's appendChild. So let's go to the other one, which is stringify. And with stringify, nothing is put in the actual browser, as we can see to the left. You got to actually call up the command console to see what's going on. So over here on the right, I'm calling my variable object. I'm going to say for people, Kelly. He's a student. Now Kelly has quotation marks because it's a name. It's a string, whereas true and false are booleans. Down below this, I have this object stringified and being called string, and I'm going to log this variable in the console. And just log it. And then I have this paragraph saying what's going on and how to show it. So over here, I'm going to do that command Option C, and the console log, which should appear at the bottom, go to all in my console log, and here appears the exact text that is in my code. Anyway, so that is Stringify. Hope you guys learned how to do a simple simple function of Stringify and how to append child. If you have any questions, please comment below.